Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with a new toy demonstration and my personal review. It's a slide ball toy. It's designed to improve children's appreciation ability of aesthetic. The slide ball trick toy is for babies 6 months and above. It costed me 800 taka. It is a product of China. Certain warnings are given here, such as children must be under adult supervision while playing, etc. etc. It helps the babies to improve their motor skills, and babies can learn through playing, which is extremely important. It has variety of colors which helps babies to learn and identify colors, and using their hands to hold and place the balls in the slide also improves their holding ability and teaches them the sense of touch. This fun toy improves parent-child interaction. The body is well built. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this product according to me. It comes in many colors which helps to develop color recognition in children. The assembled track improves children's handling ability. It develops hand and eye coordination, keeps the children busy, and also the kids gets engaged with this activity. Kids can learn through playing. This is extremely important. Another big advantage is that not only kids but also adults likes to play it. It's so engaging. It creates a good bonding between parents and children and also improves motor skills of children. This product is strong and beautifully built, so this is one plus point which I absolutely love. There is one con of this product which I feel is necessary to address. Only two small balls are provided with it, which gets easily lost when the kids are playing. I wish few more balls were provided. I love this product because my son and I both find it quite fun to play. It's an interesting and engaging toy, and also the price is reasonable with great quality. Only I wish few more balls were provided with it. That's it for now. See you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.